Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to fix broken apps on Android. Broken apps may not open or work correctly due to corrupted files, outdated versions, or conflicting updates. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the system. Next, update the app from the Google Play Store if an update is available. If the app remains broken, clear the app cache by going to Settings. For example, if CapCut is broken, tap on the app, go to Storage, and clear the cache. If needed, tap Clear Data to reset the app, but note that this may delete saved settings. Also, check for system updates by going to Settings, then Software Update, and install any pending update. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app from the Play Store. That's it. We just learned how to fix broken apps on Android by updating, clearing cache, and reinstalling the app if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.